Okay, that's definitely handheld. It's a lady. Is it handheld? It's very steady. We'll find out in a second. Watching a video. It's this Lexus LF. Is it a lady? I think so. Yeah, you've put that away. Oh dear. Yeah, I can see. Now I'm allowed here as well, I'm afraid. LF67XSH.